Hi friends, this is Monica from Monica Gupta Fine Art, and in this video I will share how to draw and shade a squirrel drawing. We will start with this outline. I have another video with a step-by-step demonstration on how to draw a squirrel from this side view. So if you want to watch that, definitely check out the link in the description below. Also, to help you draw and shade yourself, I have a bunch of squirrel drawing templates available for download at my website. So after watching this video, head over to my website, download those templates and try out shading yourself. Let me know in comments below if you face any problem or if you have a question. For this drawing, I'll use Vine charcoal and Strathmore 500 series charcoal paper. This paper has a very unique wave-like texture, and I felt that the texture of the fur will come out very nicely on this paper. I prefer Vine charcoal for its smoothness. I'm using a paper stump to blend. And charcoal can require a little getting used to because it can get a little tricky to control the values. So I alternate between laying down the charcoal and then blending with the paper stump to achieve the values I want. For drawing fur, I will use a medium length hatching strokes and use a thin eraser to erase out thin white lines. I'll actually have a separate video on how to draw thin white lines, which will prove very useful for drawing fur or even hair on portraits. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified as soon as that new videos are up. You can also use a paper stump or a chamois or a felt pad for blending, and you can use a kneaded eraser for erasing out those thin lines. So there is a wide variety of tools and materials available for charcoal drawing. So definitely experiment, try out different things, and it will help you learn what all different textures you can achieve with different materials. I actually have a separate video available with a comprehensive list of tools and materials for charcoal drawing. So that's something you may want to check out. I will also add that in the description below. And now I'll add some music for the rest of the video. So enjoy the drawing and I will see you in the next video.